Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch this green birdwing butterfly in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've just caught this green birdwing and this is how the butterfly looks like. And let me show you my insect story to view the detailed information about this butterfly. Okay, hold on. All right, this one guys, the green birdwing, and basically you can catch this butterfly in any weather, and it's from the suburbs. So just go to the suburbs and you'll find this butterfly, and I'm going to show you my insect catching level. My level is 6, so maybe if you haven't unlocked this green birdwing yet, you need to reach level 6 in your insect catching hobby. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the green birdwing butterfly in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.